Hi everyone, I'm Vikramaditya here and welcome to Softech and JHS Infotech. And in this session, we're going to discuss what is SAP BRIM. And this happens to be the first session of SAP BRIM course. If you are interested for learning SAP BRIM, you can enroll and block your seat and start your trainings at Softech or JHS Infotech. So let's move on and understand the basics of SAP BRIM. What exactly is it? And what are the prospects of it? So it's very clear that SAP BRIM has a very bright future in the coming few years because there's a lot of there's a lot of hype for SAP BRIM, and it's going to be a huge hit in the coming years, and there'll be huge demand for SAP BRIM. So let's see what exactly is SAP BRIM all about. SAP BRIM, previously known as SAP Hybrid Billing, is a comprehensive solution for high volume consumption businesses. Now, this basically, what do I mean by that is, this is basically a software solution provided by SAP, which focuses on providing solutions for billing. So SAP BRIM enables various flexible consumption models. It is a modular solution designed to optimize the business lifecycle process of design, sales, delivery, and billing, as depicted in the coming figure. So I'll be showing you the life cycle in the next slide of SAP BRIM solutions based on its business benefits. So if you see here, the business model that we have here as solution business life cycle, in which we're starting with the master agreement, and then we have the business and pricing model design, solution packaging, quote management, contract management, and in the solution delivery we have the usage metering, one-off charge and recurring, usage rating and charging. Then in the solution billing we have pre-billing, granular invoice control, and revenue management. So these rapid solution design and solution sales, solution delivery, and solution billing all together are a part of the solution business lifecycle. So we are going to look at all these aspects in the coming concepts, and we're going to discuss more about it. Now the first phase is design, in which SAP BRIM assists with the creation of a uniform design for a business and pricing model, along with the master agreement that will be used as the base for the other downstream processes. So this happens to be the first phase. And once this is done, the next phase the solution sales kicks in. So now in this phase, companies define how they will sell their products with the assistance of the contract management and or quote management functionalities offered by SAP BRIM. Now the third phase is solution delivery. In this phase, companies define the charging methodology for their portfolios. In other words, this is when the companies decide how and how much their customers will be charged based on the business models they pursue. For example, if a company follows an event-based model, it will define the business transaction events that trigger charges for customers. If a company chooses a consumption-based model, it will calculate the tiers of consumption in which customers will be charged. Now the final phase is solution billing. In this phase, SAP BRIM lets companies manage their billing and invoicing mechanisms for consumers based on what has been finalized in previous phases. Furthermore, SAP BRIM aids in the management of revenue recognition and management with various tools for revenue analysis. Now, SAP BRIM components, the solution comprises of four core components: the SAP BRIM subscription order management, SAP Convergent charging, SAP Convergent invoicing, and contract accounts receivable and payable. So together these components help in management of business model, design, perform order management, track usage metering and transaction pricing, billing and invoice processing, manage receivables and payables, royalties and commissions, and provide support for financial customer care. Now, SAP BRIM also offers peripheral solutions such as SAP Convergent mediation by digital route, SAP flexible solution billing, SAP revenue accounting and reporting, and SAP entitlement management, which are implemented as needed per business requirements and complement the core SAP BRIM solutions. Here is a breakdown of the SAP BRIM components. Let's see the SAP BRIM components. Now we have got the SAP Billing and Revenue Innovation Management module. We have got the SAP solutions in place, and then we have the description of it. So SAP Billing and Revenue Innovation Management and the subscription order management model. And this is available with the SAP S4 HANA 1909 onwards, included with the SAP Billing and Revenue Innovation Management license. The SAP Convergent charging is a high deal included with the SAP Billing and Revenue Innovation Management license. SAP Convergent invoicing is available with SAP S4 HANA, included with the SAP Billing and Revenue Innovation Management license. Then we have the contract accounting is a part of S4 HANA. Then we have SAP Flexible Solution Billing is also a part of SAP S4 HANA offering. SAP Convergent mediation by digital route. This is something which we have as a part of digital route additional license required. And SAP entitlement management is also available at an additional licensing costs. Then we have this SAP subscription billing. We have additional license required. Now we have SAP BRIM solution components reside both as areas within SAP S4 HANA and as standalone modules that integrate with the SAP S4 HANA. The figure that we are going to illustrate, it shows how each core component of SAP BRIM resides within the end-to-end solution landscape. So SAP BRIM subscription order management and SAP Convergent charging resides in different instances because they are standalone applications. This is denoted by SAP BRIM subscription order management and SAP Convergent charging. On the other hand, SAP Convergent invoicing and FICA are the part of S4 HANA solution and some out of the box with S4 HANA. This is denoted in the coming diagram. We have the S4 HANA, FICA and Convergent invoicing. So if you see here, there are three components majorly here. We have SAP BRIM subscription order management model here, the first one. The second one happens to be the SAP Convergent charging 4.0. And then we have the FICA and SAP Convergent invoicing. So these are the three different components which can be integrated with the S4 HANA. So whatever you see inside the S4 HANA is a default offering with S4 HANA licenses, and then we need to accommodate the first, second and third along with that to start working on the SAP BRIM. So SAP BRIM subscription order management offers you the contract management, opportunity management, quotation, order management, all this internally in the SAP BRIM. Then we have the SAP Convergent charging, we have provisioning and pricing, rating and charging. In FICA and SAP Convergent, we have billing, invoicing, and postings. As part of the new architecture of SAP S4 HANA 1909, subscription order management is now part of the S4 HANA solution, as we will be seeing that. This significantly reduces the complexity of the implementation and integration when companies implement the SAP BRIM solution. So we've got this one where we have a lot of things are covered internally in S4 HANA customer management. So if you see here, the S4 HANA customer management includes everything just other than the SAP Convergent charging. Other than that, everything else is included in the part as a part of the S4 HANA offering. Now, SAP BRIM subscription order management. SAP BRIM subscription order management is an integrated part of the end-to-end SAP BRIM solution. So it is a business process developed in SAP for the purposes of addressing generation of fees for periodic usage of rights and the consumption of fees for the actual amount of measurable usages. It is built as an additional function relying on the SAP CRM backbone. As of S4 HANA 1909, it has been folded into S4 HANA. Now, SAP BRIM subscription order management is starting point of SAP BRIM as it manages contract life cycles and product catalogs, including bundles of services and physical goods. Once these activities are done, SAP BRIM subscription order management creates orders that are then fulfilled by the core SAP ERP systems. The order information is then passed to the next component, the SAP Convergent charging, for charging, rating, defining, and processing. Once these activities are done, SAP BRIM subscription order management creates orders that are then fulfilled by the core SAP ERP system. The order information is then passed to the next component, SAP Convergent charging, for charging, rating, and defining the process. Now, the SAP BRIM subscription and order management is something which we have as a starting point, where we have the product catalog and offer management, contract management, and order capture as part of it. Then we have the SAP Convergent charging, where you have these events 1, 2, and 3. Then we have the SAP Convergent invoicing. So in SAP Convergent charging, we have event 1, event 2, and event 3 here. So here we have a billable item. Let's say I'm taking an example of event 1, and we have got a billable item for that. Then we have this billable item storage and processing. Then we have this legacy rating engine, which is again into a billable item. So tens of billions of rated events per day can be handled here, and legacy billing systems are there. So we have got this invoice creation after that. And then we have the multi-channel billing presentment. Then this invoice creation will again get connected to the contract accounts, receivable and payable. And here we have the receivable management, payment processing, credit management, partner settlement. These all are a part of the contract accounts. And here if we go for this invoice creation, we have multi-channel bill presentment. We can mail it or email it or self-service, and then we have the customer invoicing and partner invoicing. Both are possible here. So this all comes under the SAP Convergent invoicing, and then after that we have the SAP customer financial management. It gets connected to the customer financial management. So this is a simple flow of SAP BRIM. So equipped with the following specialized features, SAP BRIM subscription order management allows a company to effectively manage its customers by creating flexible ways to meet its customers' needs. So product catalog and offer management, order capture, order distribution, and contract management, and customer care. So SAP Convergent charging is designed to deliver pricing flexibility when charging customers. So in SAP Convergent charging, a charge is a price generated from a rating and a charging event that is charged to the customers or subscribers. So in other words, SAP Convergent charging is a calculation engine tool used to determine the types of charges, such as recurring, one-time, and usage-based charges. Okay, now we are going to discuss the figure with the Convergent charging fits into the SAP BRIM solution, how it fits. Basically, there will be two components for this. One is the SAP Convergent charging and rating, and charging is how SAP Convergent charging determines which exact customer account will be charged against for a specific customer. So on the other hand, rating focuses on calculation mechanism that derives the total amount to be charged in the billing document. So here we have the SAP BRIM subscription and order management. We have product catalog and offer management, contract management, and order capture. So in SAP Convergent charging, we have this event 1 and event 2, event 3. Now they are getting connected to the billable items. And here we have the legacy rating engine, which actually has this billable item. So we have billable item storage and processing. So we have got this entire thing in the legacy billing system. Here we have the invoice creation. And under the invoice creation we have the multi-channel bill presentation, mail, email, self-services and all, and customer invoicing and partner invoicing. And then we have the contract accounts, receivable and payable. So in this we'll have the receivable management, payment processing, credit management and partner settlements. SAP customer financial management is what we have. Under this we'll have this all the finance related stuff. As a part of SAP BRIM solution, SAP Convergent charging comes with an intuitive graphical user interface which allows for visual programming, and we're going to see that this is an virtually eliminates functional and technical limitations to the developing pricing offers and revenue sharing plans for different types of services. So if you see here, we have got these things. So we have got the say matrix, and then we have the price plan. We have the usage charges and all. So we don't have any functional and technical limitations here, so we can directly see this view. The convergent invoicing role in SAP BRIM is to consume the billable items once they are passed down from SAP Convergent charging. Once these items reach SAP Convergent invoicing, the application will handle the processing of uploading consumption detail records, storage of billable items, aggregation of billable items, invoice creation and invoicing the customer. So SAP Convergent invoicing stores and manages rated consumption data records from the SAP Convergent charging system. And the rated consumption data records are also known as billable items and undergo a billing and invoicing process as part of the posting of receivables in contract accounting. So we've got this, the convergent invoicing is what we're talking about. So as the financial backend of a robust solution in a dynamic business model, the contracting that we are talking about, the contracting accounting also offers a wide range of functionalities. As soon as as shown in the next, we're going to see that contract accounting offers taxation, tax calculations, and country-specific processes such as accounting principles, payment processing, collection management, partner settlements, and so on. So because of these requirements, contract accounting is highly automated after its initial setup and requires little intervention. So we have discussed about the customer financial management. And to summarize at a high level, you can create orders in SAP BRIM, subscription order management, perform calculations in SAP Convergent charging for an order based on usage, and get the final charge amounts in the SAP Convergent charge. Bills and invoices are sent to the customer using the SAP Convergent invoicing. So finally, in contract accounting, you post the financial document and receive or make the payments. So you also use contract accounting for dispute management, credit management, and collections. So the peripheral solutions, for the most part, SAP BRIM's 4 core components within the core SAP ERP system is well suited to meet most business requirements. However, in certain cases, companies have the option to create even more robust and flexible solutions by integrating the other peripheral solutions offered on the market. In the following section, we discuss some of more popular peripheral solutions that can complement the SAP BRIM. So SAP Convergent. So SAP Convergent mediation by digital route is basically a solution that has been provided by a digital route. So its role is to enable a standardized approach to data mediation. This means this solution first gathers data from multiple sources, then data is then filtered and converted into a format that can be consumed by other SAP BRIM components. So the advantage of SAP Convergent mediation is that even though it is developed by another party, it is pre-integrated into SAP BRIM and can be deployed quickly. The benefits that come with this solution include the reduction of multiple integration points required to manage data, reduction in infrastructure costs, and increased efficiency in data processing, which leads to higher scalability. Now, OpenText is developed by the company of the same name. So OpenText complements the SAP BRIM solution by extending the document management capabilities of all SAP modules. It enables businesses to have a comprehensive view of all scanned business documents and all related data across systems and applications. So OpenText advantage lays in its pre-integration with SAP modules and its ability to optimize and standardize data documentation management through automation to ensure productivity and compliance. Payment gateway. Payment gateways is a generic term that refers to a set of applications offered by many vendors to provide portals for payment processing. So these applications typically offer functionality for secured payment processing through major financial methods like credit cards, PayPal, checks, etc. Payment and personal data tokenization and fraud monitoring. So SAP Customer Financial Management is a set of solutions created to streamline analyzing and optimizing financial processes. They provide solutions for cash management, investment and debt management, and financial risk management. In most cases, SAP Customer Financial Management is used in conjunction with SAP BRIM to measure, analyze and control the risk of a business partner defaulting on financial obligations. So SAP Revenue Accounting and Reporting lets business manage their revenue and income recognition cycles in compliance with various accounting policies. So the solution comes with many accounting standards and rules pre-configured and automated. In addition, SAP RER also provides a wide range of configurable reporting capabilities for cases in which the standard report cannot meet a company's requirement. So SAP Entitlement Management streamlines and automates the process of entitlement management for companies. So the solution manages the entitlement lifecycle. This ensures transparency into what customers are entitled to for both the customer and the sales representative. Thus, in turn, increases customer satisfaction and provides more opportunities for upselling or cross-selling. So the conclusion is that SAP BRIM is a very powerful solution used in managing subscriptions and other recurring revenue sources. So in this session, we have explored the tools that make us SAP BRIM as well as SAP Peripheral solutions that can be used alongside SAP BRIM. So we are making these videos on a pure intention to share you knowledge, and if there are any suggestions, please do share it with us, and we'll try to implement them in the next coming videos. And if you would like to suggest any topics, please do.